If you're into jaw-dropping action, this video is for you. The roar of engines, the crack of splitting wood, and towering trees crashing down in the blink of an eye, it's all here. Logging has never looked this epic. The Beast Unleashed. Felling a tree with a chainsaw demands precision and serious skill. With its razor-sharp chain and powerful engine, the chainsaw rips through trunks effortlessly, making quick work of even the toughest trees. Built for performance. The John Deere 7.730, armed with a cutting-edge control system, allows operators to work smoothly and boost productivity. Its capability to tackle hardwood with precision ensures top-notch output while minimizing operational and maintenance costs. The KXF40 tractor is built for tough jobs. With a 140 horsepower engine and fuel-efficient engineering, it slashes operating costs, maximizes productivity, and delivers fast, reliable results every time. It's unreal. The Hino truck, overloaded to the max, fights its way up the hill, its engine belching out thick smoke from the stress. The strain triggers overheating, crippling performance, and risking catastrophic damage. This machine is truly being pushed to its breaking point. While this truck can't carry MV I0536, it easily hauls tons of timber over rough terrain and still has the power to tow another truck in trouble. It's a true testament to the vehicle's remarkable strength and performance. Ever wondered what the Morbark 4036 Micro is capable of? With its 16 Advantage 3 drum knives and a 27,800 horsepower Cat C engine, this beast shreds wood at remarkable speeds while offering exceptional performance, making it the perfect choice for large-scale wood processing where both precision and efficiency matter. For drilling tasks that require reliability and speed, the TA20 drill bit with a splitter is the perfect choice. Its efficient design ensures uniform force distribution, leading to a smooth and rapid drilling experience. The TA-20 is widely used in the wood processing and construction sectors. This steam-powered saw from history features the largest circular blade among current machines. Equipped with advanced sawmill technology, it delivers superior performance, allowing for fast, precise wood cutting and increasing productivity in large-scale timber processing projects. A perfect bowl has been created from just half a log. The turning process was so precise that it achieved intricate details, from a flawless circle to a smooth surface. This showcases the remarkable fusion of artistry and technology in the craft of woodworking. The 150 horsepower wood lathe is the ultimate tool for wood crafting. It enabled the transformation of a giant redwood log into a unique lamp fixture, with the precision turning process creating flawless curves that enhance the wood's natural elegance. The large oak logs, measuring 10 feet in length and 53.14 inches in diameter, weighing around 5,070 pounds, will first be cut with a chainsaw. The Groy GSW 40 wood splitter will then handle the thick logs, splitting them quickly and precisely to enhance work efficiency. Featuring a smart design, the GAR Step Module feeder splits wood with great efficiency and precision. This machine is optimized for fast wood processing, minimizing waste while enhancing productivity throughout the timber processing process. When it comes to building a wooden house, the first step is selecting high-quality timber. Next, the frame, walls, and roof are put together to ensure a durable structure. Finally, the finishing touches are applied to complete the job with a beautiful and strong home. Thanks to superior kinematic enhancements, the wood splitter, paired with a custom splitter and a 3K electric motor, maximizes efficiency. This powerful equipment speeds up the wood splitting process, reducing labor and boosting overall productivity. With the 8000 series round wood processor and Poshlight OIT's Spal Fix K Vario automatic saw, this setup offers unrivaled precision for cutting and splitting. The machine is designed to optimize wood processing efficiency, significantly boosting overall productivity. Loving these machines? Hit that subscribe button now. We're always pushing the boundaries of technology and bringing you the most spectacular footage. Turn on notifications so you're the first to see our latest videos.